everyone, my name is Pranusha Bajipalli and today I am going to be doing the experiment underwater volcano. The materials required are a spatula, stirring stick, a measuring beaker, citric acid, baking soda, red food coloring, water, oil and a test tube. First I will measure 10 ml of water in the measuring beaker. And now I will pour it inside the test tube. Now I will add 2 drops of red food coloring. Now I'll mix it with the stirring stick. Now I'll add 1 spoon of baking soda. Now I will measure 20 ml of oil in the measuring beaker. Now I will slowly pour it inside the test tube. Now I will add 1 scoop of citric acid. Did you see that the bubbles are rising from the water to the oil layer? Science behind this is the bubbles of carbon dioxide are released in this experiment. In this experiment, the bubbles move slowly through the oil because oil is thicker and stickier than water. This property of oil is called viscosity. I hope you all enjoyed watching. Thank you all.